guys, 7:30 in the evening na guys. Nakita ni mo ng Chinese na matanda guys. Sobrang tiyaga guys. Dito kasi guys is kahit senior citizen na, parang 80 years old na si nanay, no? Pero ang sobrang tiyaga guys. It's a sort of exercise for her na lang siguro. I know na maybe or she's financially stable na, but look at guys, sobrang tiyaga dito kasi guys. Walang matanda, walang bata. Pag able ka pa na mag-work, no discrimination at all. Matanda ka or bata, you're very much welcome to apply work, no? So ito ang ang kaibahan dito guys is kahit anong edad, pag kaya mo pa na mag-work, you are very much welcome to apply. Imagine, almost 90 years old na si nanay, 88, but look at guys.
Tapos yung kalagayan pa niya, no?
Kuba na si nanay guys. Every night guys, makikita ko talaga si nanay na naglilinis guys. So, yan ang kaibahan dito guys. So, yan si nanay guys. Grabe ang sobrang tiyaga ni nanay. Naglilinis siya. Street. Ano na siya? Kung sa ato pa, Metro 8. O, diba? That's all for tonight. God bless.